How's it going, guys? I am Chisholm from Smith & Wesson. I'm the pistol product manager here. I'm joined today by Corey, who is our long gun and suppressor product manager, and we're going to be talking to you about two brand new products today. Corey, what do we have?
Everyone knows and loves the FPC. We finally introduced it in the 5.7 cartridge. I love 5.7. It's a great cartridge, low recoiling, high velocity, fantastic cartridge. To have it in the FPC though, now just takes it home. A lot of cool new features on this. So it's got the same fire control unit as the 5.7, that internal hammer. So the trigger pull should feel the same. Crossbolt safety. The charging handle does not reciprocate, so it stays locked up. The buttstock is different. So again, we had to design it around the 22 capacity mags. It's got a little bit of a cheek weld shelf here, which is actually really comfortable. To release the mags now, you lift up on the side you want and slide it out. Very simple to use, very intuitive. It folds the same way as the standard FPC, so there's that folding lever. Just whoop. It's got QD mounts on the buttstock, which allows you to attach a sling as well as on the handguard.
And so this takes the same magazines as the M&P 5.7, right?
Correct, yep. So you're looking at 66 rounds of capacity just sitting in a bag in your truck.
So this would be a great companion if you have an M&P 5.7 or if you wanted to pick them both up in a pair. You get the same magazines and the same trigger pull in both of those guns, right?
Correct. It also has a 16-inch barrel, threaded 5x28, which is a great segue to our other new product, the Nebula from Gemtech. So hybrid design here. We did our first 3D printed baffle stack. So titanium printed. We wanted to keep it as narrow as possible. So like on the M&P 5.7, you still can see over your sights and don't have your suppressor blocking it. But we wanted to really optimize the baffle stack for 5.7. So the internal geometry of the baffle stack, which actually threads out from the blast baffle, they're all treated in high temp Cerakote. So you can see that first baffle in the baffle stack. And then the blast baffle, being stainless steel, takes all the abuse. So it's a full auto rated can. And the other cool feature is the 5x28 direct thread can actually unscrew out. And then it's Plan B architecture in here. So if you have a muzzle device that's Plan B threaded, this can just thread right over your muzzle device. Or you can just direct thread it with the 5x28.
That would be really handy if you were going to fold this gun up and want to have it in a backpack or a compact case. It's not going to have the additional length of the suppressor sticking off the end. You can just quick detach with that Plan B style mount. That's awesome.
Super cool.
What's the best way to clean this suppressor?
So that's a great question. That suppressor is great with 22 long rifle, 17 HMR, 22 mag. But if you do shoot 22 long rifle through it, you're going to build up, right? So that break-free suppressor cleaner comes with a little tube. You pour the stuff in it, soak it for like 2 hours. All that sludge just comes right out, and you're good to go.
Awesome. I love it. For more information, visit us at our website. Thank you guys for checking out the video.